expedite the release of AX and also other social welfare programs and also livelihood. For livelihood, wala pa tayo na dawat ka guidelines from the central office. As to our assistance to individual in crisis situation, as of now, our assistance focus muna tayo sa tricycle drivers. So we already communicated to the local government units and we will prioritize the payout on April 8. Magsugod na siya to all cities in Region 10. So the 2 highly urbanized cities and of course the 7 cities of Region 10. Meron lang isa, like the Iligan City, wala daw sila tricycle driver. So magiging 8 na lang ang ato ang releasan sa April 8. And out of we projected 11,825. Ang list na nadawat sa DSWD is 10,513. And out of this, we have a clean list of 9,888 tricycle drivers with 5,000 each. So naatay 49 million to be released by April 8. So naatay mga wala na appeal, na return because kulang ang data. And of course, napo tayo duplicate. So that is why, i-emphasize man ni Director license, no? Ang among pangitaon during the release, of course, the driver's license, and also, ang yung ID card, and mag-xerox lang siya isa, iyalang pirmahan katulo, we will validate it during the payout. So for in case nga at that time na ay wala na renew, so we have the portal from LTO, we will validate kung ongoing ang yung renewal, we will release. But katong wala gyud nag-renew, dili siya ma-appeal, but we encourage kay ipa-renew sa sila ani nga time, pwede na sila mag-renew. Then for other areas, so wala pa mi gahulat pa mi sa advice from the central office. I think nag-meeting sila ron with our secretary and other national agencies. So kana lang sa update from DSWD.